In this platform, you'll be earning free USDT and a minimum of 3 USDT daily and making massive income for yourself. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is where I give free tips and updates on how you can make massive income and bag a lot of profits for yourself. So this is the platform I'll be introducing us to, and we'll be having a live withdrawal. Quickly, we need to register on this platform. All you just have to do is input your email, your login password, security password, and you confirm your password and you register. Very simple to do. So we'll be having a live withdrawal in this platform. You'll be seeing how I earn in this platform and how I will withdraw my earnings from this platform into my trust wallet. So stay tuned guys and join me as I show you how you can earn too. So this is the interface of the platform. So quickly, all we just have to do is firstly click on quantify. Quantify takes us to this interface. This interface, you can see I have my current level VIP1. My profit asset is 0.00. Today's earnings is still 0. Total revenue is 0. Remember that I told you that we are going to be having a live withdrawal. Live withdrawal is that you will see my earnings from this platform and I'll be showing you on how you can earn, and you will join me as I withdraw the money into my trust wallet. So quickly, what we just have to do is when we click on start quantify, my earnings for the day start quantify. You can see start quantify, and once it's load, you will see my earnings for the day, and I will be withdrawing it live. So this is my earnings in this platform, 3.5 USDT. This is what I've earned for myself today. You can see deposit into Plazik wallet and my quantitative benefits. So this is my, it's have reflected immediately into my dashboard. You can see my profit asset is 3.05. Today's earning 3.05, total revenue 3.05. So quickly, let me show you how we'll be withdrawing this money. So once you click on withdrawal, it takes you to the interface where we'll be inputting the necessary things we need for us to withdraw from this platform. You can see my dashboards, and what I just have to do is I need to fetch my withdrawal address, and when I fetch it, I will input my withdrawal address, my withdrawal limit, how much I want to withdraw, and input the security password that I use in registering, and click on confirm, and I'm good to go. So all we just have to do is get our withdrawal address first. Remember, this is going to be a live withdrawal. In my trust wallet, I have just 38 USDT, and once we withdraw, we'll be going back to my trust wallet to see the money have successfully be withdrawn, and it has reflected into my trust wallet. So let's copy our address and back to the platform. Once we are back to the platform, you can see I've input the necessary things and click on confirm. You can see withdraw success. Immediately within 2 minutes, the money will be successfully registered into your trust wallet. You can see I have 38 USDT before, now I have 41 USDT. You can see within 2 minutes you are earning from this platform. So I'll be showing you on how you can also earn for yourself in this platform. What you have to do first is click on recharge. Once you click on recharge, it takes you to the interface where you can recharge in this platform. You just recharge with any USDT of your choice, whether you with your TROS, your BNB, or whatever. So before then, these are the VIPs we have in this platform. You can see my current level is VIP1. They have from VIP1 to VIP10, and you can choose to subscribe to any VIP of your choice. Remember, the higher VIP you subscribe in this platform, the higher income and massive money you are making for yourself. All you just have to do is select the VIP of your choice and click to unlock. Once you click to unlock, you start earning free USDT in this platform and making massive income for yourself. Also, you can earn free USDT in this platform through invite of friends. All you have to do is once you click on the invite link, it takes you to an interface where you copy your referral link and your referral code to your friends. You can see send friend invitation and friend complete registration, and you get a rebate income, and you build a team and get generous rewards. So you'll be getting commissions once your friends register with your referral link and your invitation code. All you just have to do is send it to your friends. Once they register, you start earning massively and for free in this platform. I hope you find this video very helpful. So please subscribe to our channel so you'll be first to be notified once we upload a new video. And thank you so much for joining us. Bye.